Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm Jonathan, and today we are making another challenge video with the one and only
Emily.
My sister is back with another video with me. She's doing a video of me, guys. So we are going to be doing the Play-Doh challenge. What that is my grandma she's behind the camera right now. Say hi.
Hi.
My grandma is going to be judging, so she has to tell us what we have to make with the Play-Doh, and we have 1 minute to make what she told us to make, and then after the 1 minute, we have to stop, put our hands behind our back, stop doing what we were doing, and she has to judge which is better, who made what she told us to make better. So say she told us to make like an elephant or something, then which that would be pretty hard to make. Then we have to make an elephant, and once that minute was done,
Grandma, don't do an elephant.
she would judge whose is better, mine or my sister's. Alright guys, so we're going to get the stopwatch ready and we'll be right back.
Make a bowl.
Alright guys, so alright guys, so my grandma has the stopwatch ready. What are we supposed to make, Grandma?
Try a bat and a ball.
Okay, so we have to make a baseball bat and a ball. So let's get our Play-Doh out and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we have our Play-Doh out. And we're supposed to make a baseball bat and a ball. All we have to use is a plastic fork, a plastic knife, and a toothpick. That's all we have to use. Alright, go ahead and start the clock, Grandma.
And
start.
Okay. We have to make a baseball bat and a ball. And a baseball ball. Can be as big as we want, can be as small as we want. Minute's not that long.
I got that ball done. Now let's do that. I think the bat's gonna be pretty hard.
Time.
3 seconds.
3.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna show you. So here is my stuff. Here's my baseball. It has creases in it, and then here is my baseball bat. Has creases in it right here. All right, and then show yours, Emily.
This is my baseball.
Goodness sake.
And this is my bat.
All right.
Here's your one, Grandma.
I can't see your ball.
All right.
Oh, that's so fast.
All right, guys. So my grandma voted. Tell us what you voted. Who'd you vote?
Jonathan.
All right. So I got the first point. We're doing 4 rounds. Let's go. Grandma, tell us what you want now. Tell us. Just an animal or anything.
Make a dog.
A dog?
Yeah.
All right. Start that timer again.
I already have it.
Can you start that timer?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Go. Can you make a dog face too? Just like one dog face?
No, hold on.
Whole dog. All right.
The dog. We have to make full dog legs.
Time.
12.
12. Stop. Mine's terrible. All right, guys. So that's all right. You can't do it. So this is my dog, guys, and here's your dog. Little help. There's her dog.
Where's my
So here you go.
Where's my toothpick? Not
All
dog,
right,
cousin's
guys.
dog.
So my grandma, tell us what you voted.
Emily.
All right.
Yeah.
So Emily gets the second point. 2 more rounds to go. Tell us what you want us to make, Grandma.
Why don't you give me a suggestion?
A heart?
No, that's too easy. A heart is too easy.
How about a car?
Oh, that would
Car.
be hard.
All right. Well, let's do it. So start the timer for a car. Can't do it. Go yet.
I know.
Wait a minute, she got some on her.
Yeah, all right. Come on, Emily. You're not in the camera.
Go.
Go. It's gonna be terrible.
It's fine. Just do your best. Grandma, it's only gonna be 2 wheels because
Yeah, can you
The
make
two
this
other
2 wheels?
wheels.
Yeah, we're just gonna
On
make
the
2
other side.
wheels. Because the other wheels are on the other side.
mine's kind of like a carriage.
Time.
30 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, I'm done. Jonathan won.
What's the thing on the end of it?
Alright. The motor, like where the engine is and stuff.
Okay.
Alright, guys. So, we're going to show you ours. Take your tools off. You didn't take your tools. Here's my car.
That reminds me of a turtle.
And here is Emily's car. Alright, now Grandma, go ahead and vote.
That looks like the pumpkin carriage, doesn't it?
Yeah, I was trying to make it like a car, but
I'm gonna say a tie this time.
no, you
Well,
can't.
you can't
do
sigh. You
ties.
can't sigh, though.
Hold them up. I'll say Jonathan.
Alright. So 2 to 1. Grandma, go ahead and tell us. I told you you can't get mad. Tell us what you want us to make.
One more time, Emily.
Tell us what you want us to
I
make.
want you to make a cupcake.
Cupcake?
But it's gonna be a tie
No,
because 3 if I
No.
win this one.
If you. It doesn't. What if you don't? Alright. So go ahead and start the clock for 1 minute. Can't start. So it's a cupcake, right?
No,
okay, it's starting.
Oh yeah, cupcake. Okay. 'Trying to like make a square.
$30 seconds. Mine is terrible. $10 seconds. Mine doesn't even look like 1, 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys. So here we go. Here is
This
my
is
cupcake.
mine.
Here's my cupcake.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Mine cupcake.
All right, now my grandma's gonna vote. Here you go, Grandma. Mine's terrible.
You have to pick one.
All right, so Emily just got a point. This is gonna be
A tie.
a tiebreaker round. Grandma, tell us what you want us to make. Destroy your thing. Tiebreaker round. Alright, not yet. Alright, guys. So, this is our last round, tiebreaker round. We have to make an Easter basket. So, here we go. Start the timer now. Easter basket. Here I come. I'm gonna fail. Tiebreaker round. Winner takes it all. Easter basket. Goodness sake. I want this win. I'm gonna put some Easter eggs in there. Ten seconds. 2. Stop. Mine looks like an eyeball. Alright, guys. So, we're going to show you ours.
You
No,
like mine?
if you break it, then you have to keep it like that. So, here's mine, guys. And Emily's.
I can do it.
You broke it.
I have to
You can't break it. You have to take your other stuff off. There's hers. My grandma's going to come in and judge ours. Alright, guys. So my grandma liked both of ours, right?
Yep.
She liked both of ours. So she said it's a draw. It's a tie, guys. So this Play-Doh challenge ends in a tie. Thank you, Grandma, for judging. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna make another video today, probably, because my cousin's dog is here.
again, but not.
Alright. So, one of the other dogs isn't here, though.
He's in doggy heaven.
Yeah, Doggy Evan. But we still have one of them, so I'll make a video later. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, guys.
And be safe.
And just make sure. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos lately.
You've been on fall break.
We've been on fall break, and I've been kind of busy.
With
So guys, I will see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.